I'm Andrew Scott, Yamaha Motor Canada's motorsports product specialist. Today I have my daughter Aiden with me to talk about our youth ATVs. Yamaha's youth ATV lineup consists of 3 models, the YFZ 50, the Raptor 90, and the Grizzly 90, which we have here. Before we take a closer look at the Grizzly 90, let's quickly talk about how these 3 models compare to one another. The YFZ 50 is perfect for riders aged 6 and up. It boasts premium features such as a 49cc 4-stroke engine, electric start with kickstart backup, a fully automatic CVT transmission, a comfortable chassis with roomy integrated floorboards, and Yamaha's sport ATV styling. Most important for parents, the YFZ 50 also comes equipped with safety controls like engine performance limiters and power cutoff tether switch. A step up from the YFZ 50, the Raptor 90 is designed for riders aged 10 and up and also showcases Yamaha's sports ATV styling. It offers premium features such as a 90cc 4-stroke engine, a fully automatic CVT transmission with reverse, electric start with backup kickstart, preload adjustable shocks, and engine performance limiting parental controls. Finally, we have the Grizzly 90. Just like the Raptor 90, it's a step up from the YFZ 50, but it takes its styling cues from Yamaha's flagship recreational ATV, the Grizzly. It's perfect for trail riders aged 10 and up. Featuring a low-maintenance 90cc engine that is tuned to deliver excellent low to mid-range performance and a fully automatic CVT transmission with reverse, the Grizzly 90 is ready to tackle the trail. Taking many cues from the big bore Grizzly, the Grizzly 90 offers big mud deflecting fenders that both enhance styling and protection from mud and trail debris. With a large seat and wide floorboards, young riders will enjoy years of riding comfort as they build their off-road riding skills and confidence. The fully automatic CVT transmission features a gated shifter to easily find the desired drive, while the 90cc engine has convenient electric start with a backup kickstart. The robust integrated cargo racks in the front and rear can carry up to 11 pounds each. The compact A-arm front suspension is tuned for light steering and comfortable ride quality, offering over 5 inches of travel. The shocks themselves are preload adjustable, so you can increase the preload as your child grows in both size and riding capability. The Grizzly 90 is not only easy to operate, but also easy to maintain. This is the perfect time to teach your child basic maintenance skills so they can keep their ATV running smoothly for years to come. Like the other Yamaha youth models in the lineup, the Grizzly 90 is designed with safety at the top of the list with keyed ignition and engine performance limiting parental controls. The parental controls consist of 2 parts, a speed limiting screw at the throttle and an engine speed limiting plate on the CDI. Yamaha recommends all beginners start off with the speed limiting screw fully adjusted in. As your child becomes more familiar and comfortable with the ATV, you can gradually turn the adjuster screw back out. Once your young rider can operate the ATV with skills at top speed, the engine speed limiter plate can then be removed. This will result in a significant increase in power though, so make sure to turn the adjuster screw all the way back in. Again, as your child's skills improve, you can slowly back the adjuster screw out, gradually allowing them to reach the engine's full performance. If your child is a beginner or inexperienced, it is always a great idea to take them to a training course so they can learn the basics of riding. Overall, the Grizzly 90 is the perfect machine to introduce your kids to the world of ATVs or to step them up from the smaller YFZ 50. Thank you for joining me on another product walk around. Time to get this kid out on the trail. For full model details and specifications, please visit our website at yamaha-motor.ca or contact your local Yamaha ATV dealer. Until next time, ride safe and have fun.